Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use a custom font in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to make your website stand out with unique typography that perfectly matches your brand identity. Let's dive right in and get your custom font up and running. First, head over to your browser and type in spacesquare.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your websites. Simply click on the website where you want to apply your custom font. This will open up the editor for that specific site. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Website, and then underneath it, select Pages. Now, before we proceed with the actual installation, we need to get our hands on a custom font file. So let's navigate to fonts.google.com in a new tab. This is Google's free font library, and it's packed with thousands of beautiful typefaces you can use. Browse through the available fonts until you find one that catches your eye and fits your website's aesthetic. Once you've found the perfect font, click on it to open its detail page. You'll see a button that says Get Font, so go ahead and click that. Now look for the download icon and click it to download the font file to your computer. The font will download as a zip file, so you'll need to extract it before we can use it. Open your File Explorer and locate the zip file you just downloaded. Right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Extract here. This will unpack all the font files you need into a folder. Keep this folder handy, as we'll be uploading these files in just a moment. Now let's head back to Squarespace. On the left side menu, click on Custom Code, and underneath that option, click on Custom CSS. This is where you'll add the code that tells Squarespace to use your new custom font. In the Custom CSS editor, look for Custom Files and click on it, then click Add Images or Fonts. This is where you'll upload your font file. Navigate to the extracted folder and select your font file to upload it. Here's where it gets a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. You'll need to use a specific code format to define your custom font. The code structure uses the @fontface rule. Now we need to change the name in the code to match the actual name of your font. To do this, go back to Custom Files and copy the exact name of the font you just uploaded. Paste that name into the appropriate spot in your code. Next, click inside the curly brackets where the URL goes, then click on Custom Files again and select the font file you uploaded. This will automatically insert the correct URL path inside the brackets. Now that your font is properly defined, it's time to apply it to your text. For this example, let's say we want to use it for paragraph text. You'll type a code that uses font-family followed by the name of your custom font. You can also add additional properties like font-size to control how large the text appears. This gives you complete control over how your custom typography looks across your site. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and applied a custom font in Squarespace, giving your website a truly unique and personalized look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.